In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start taking meeting notes in Notion. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to quickly set up a space where Notion can automatically capture what's being said in your meetings, so you can stay focused on the conversation instead of scrambling to write everything down. Let's get started inside your Notion workspace. Imagine you've just opened Notion and you're on your main page or dashboard. The first thing you want to do is create a place for your meeting notes to live. To do that, look for the option labeled New. This is usually found in the sidebar or near the bottom of a list of existing pages. Go ahead and click on New. When you click New, Notion will create a fresh page for you. Instead of building everything from scratch, you're going to take advantage of a built-in option designed specifically for meetings. On this new page, you should see different templates or quick start options. Look for one called AI Meeting Notes. This is Notion's way of helping you capture conversations using AI-powered transcription. Click on AI Meeting Notes to apply that setup to your new page. Once you've selected the AI Meeting Notes option, Notion will prepare the page with the right structure for capturing your meeting. You'll typically see a layout where the transcription will appear, along with spaces where you can add your own comments or highlight key takeaways later. Before you begin, it's a good idea to give this page a clear title, like the name of the meeting or the date, so you can easily find it in the future. Now you're ready for the most important part, starting the transcription. On this AI Meeting Notes page, look for a button or control that says Start Transcribing. When you click on Start Transcribing, Notion will begin listening and converting spoken words into text in real time. Make sure your microphone is working and that you're in a relatively quiet environment so the transcription is as accurate as possible. From here, you can simply let Notion run while the meeting takes place. You can watch the notes appear as people speak, and later on you can organize, summarize, or clean up the text however you like. And that's all it takes. Create a new page, choose AI Meeting Notes, and click Start Transcribing to begin capturing your meetings in Notion.